In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix increasing CPCs in Google Ads and understand why Google Ads CPCs keep rising. If you're managing digital advertising campaigns, you're probably familiar with the challenge of rising cost per click costs that seem to creep up silently but steadily. Let's dive into some tips and strategies to address this concern head on and optimize your advertising budget effectively. First, let's get started by heading over to the Google Ads homepage. This is where you can access all of your advertising tools and data. Now look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. This action will bring you to the login page where you can access your account. If you aren't signed in already, simply enter your credentials and log into your account. Once inside, navigate to the Google Ads homepage, which serves as your dashboard for managing active campaigns. Upon reaching the homepage, the next step is crucial. Click on the Campaigns tab. This section is where you have a comprehensive view of all your current and past ad campaigns, enabling you to monitor performance trends and make necessary adjustments. Now direct your attention to the Settings option within this tab. This area allows you to review and modify various settings, crucial for optimizing your campaign performance and spending. Once you're into campaign settings, zeroing in on your keyword strategy is essential. Specifically, focus on broad match keywords. This type of keyword setting is expansive and can lead to higher CPCs if not monitored carefully. Broad match types are designed to trigger your ads when users search for keywords related to your broad match keyword, even if they don't include the exact terms. While this may seem beneficial for exposure, it can often drain your budget as it captures broad traffic that doesn't necessarily convert. As a tip, consider adjusting your keyword match types. Utilizing more precise options like phrase match or exact match can help streamline the traffic your ads receive and ensure they're more likely to reach users who are actively searching for the service or product you offer. This not only reduces unnecessary spending, but also improves the likelihood of conversion, providing a more effective return on investment. Remember, consistently monitor the performance of your chosen keywords. Regularly reviewing the search term report helps you see exactly which searches trigger your ads, allowing you to fine-tune your strategy by adding negative keywords to filter out irrelevant clicks. In summary, staying vigilant about your keyword choices and ad settings is pivotal in controlling your CPCs in Google Ads. Implement these changes to protect your advertising investment, ensuring your campaigns are both efficient and effective. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these insights help you navigate the complexity of Google Ads with greater confidence and control.